At about 7:55 in the evening yesterday, a police patrol was patrolling the upper St. Andrew area, upon which at the time they were pounced upon by 5 gunmen, 3 of whom were carrying automatic rifles. One was carrying a lass and the other one was carrying a ratchet. Now it is reported that the one with the ratchet stabbed after the right front tire and punctured it. Upon puncturing the tire, the police pulled over, alighted from the vehicle, and a barrage of gunfire was exchanged. That's what we call them on TV, explosion. A lot of explosion was exchanged. At the end of the barrage of explosions, the one with the ratchet was shot and injured. The other 4 escaped. We took the one with the ratchet who was shot and injured to UWI Hospital, where he is currently under police guard, but he don't want to talk on his friends. He's loyal to badness. So we are asking anybody with any information on the whereabouts of these gunmen, the 3 with the rifle and the 1 with the lass, please call the nearest police station at 119. If the phone ring more than 5 times, keep holding the line. Something is going on. We mean to answer the phone, but sometimes we are overwhelmed. So hold the line. But make sure you come forward with the information, for the police want to get to the base of this barrage. Well, the guy with the ratchet, he still refused to talk. However, no police officer was injured in the barrage of explosion. However, we will be doing our endeavor best, our utmost, to find these criminals and bring them to justice, particularly the one with the lass, for we don't deal with choppings anymore. Zero tolerance. And the rifles must come off of the street. Do not be afraid to call the police. If you don't get us, call back. If after you call back and you still don't get us, hold the line. The police will be there shortly.